Hello everyone, welcome back to Spooktacular. Every day leading up to Halloween, I will be uploading a video. We will have everything from Halloween makeup tutorials to Halloween DIYs. We will be making some Halloween goodies. I have a little bit of everything for each of you guys. If you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future videos. In today's video, we have two Halloween DIYs that we're going to be making. The first one is a candle centerpiece, something that's a little spooky. We're also going to be taking our fireplaces and turning them from boring to spooky. Whew! Let's get started.
So I was too lazy to go find my ruler, so instead I just took the foam board and put it on top of the fireplace, and then I just marked out where I wanted to make the cuts. If you have a ruler, I would suggest using that instead. I did go in with black foam boards instead of using white ones, because I was going to spray paint mine black and it just made it a lot easier. After I was done cutting that out, I took that foam board and I placed it on top of a brand new foam board, and then I just marked it out and cut it for the other side. Next, I had to add a piece in the middle because it wasn't wide enough. I just laid my one piece on top of a new piece of foam board to get the width, and then I measured how much I needed in the middle and cut that, and then I taped it all together. Now I had to add some to the bottom because it wasn't long enough, so I measured how much I needed, went in and cut that, and then duplicated it with another piece of foam board and taped it all together. Here I am going in with the expandable foam. I am placing that all over, just making different designs. And then I go in with some skulls and spiders that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You want to make sure that you put the skulls, spiders, bones, whatever you want on when it's still wet. I believe I used 3 cans of foam to get this the way that I wanted it. I then took it outside and spray painted it. I did have to have my husband pick me up another can of spray paint because one was not enough. Now we're working on project number 2. I went in and cut the desired base that I wanted out of some foam boards, and then I picked up these swimming noodles from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just trying to figure out how many I wanted. I ended up going with 3 different candles and I wanted them to be different sizes. So I'm just cutting them and figuring out my desired size. Now you're going to want to cut the inside so you can place some candles in there. I picked my candles up from the Dollar Tree. They are just battery operated and they worked amazing. If you can get black ones or the color that you're going to spray paint your candle, I would do that. But if not, you just have to tape off the lighted part and it works good. I messed up here. I was too lazy to go find my glue gun, so I just used the expandable foam to hold these pieces down. But if you have a glue gun, don't be lazy like me. It did turn out a little messy. I wish that I would have just took my time. And then I went in with the expandable foam to make it look like there was wax dripping down. And this is when it got super messy. It kind of looks like my candles have warts or something all over them. I do like them, but I wish that I would have went in with my glue gun instead. And then I just took them outside and spray painted them and removed the tape on the lidded part of the candle, and then I was done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you're subscribed because we have 31 days of a spooktacular this month.